Today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken liver and arugula salad using pancetta, fresh tomatoes, of course the arugula and chicken liver, and we're going to use some balsamic vinegar and olive oil. This is a quick and easy salad you can prepare for lunch. Takes no more than 10 minutes from start to finish. I have soaked the chicken liver in milk overnight to get some of the impurities out of the liver. I purchased these from the local butcher and he gave them to me whole, so I have to clean them up a little. If you get them from the store, they should already be cleaned for you. Just gonna take the kidney out, save that for ragu. We're just gonna sprinkle these with a little salt and pepper. And we're gonna chop up some pancetta. Take the skin off. The pan needs to be nice and hot because we're just gonna fry the pancetta just to get it a little golden brown. We don't really want to cook them too much. So, the pan's nice and hot. Just gonna give the pancetta a little stir. When they become slightly browned and release some of the fat, we're gonna take it out. Leave the fat in, and we're gonna fry the chicken liver in the fat. And they'll fry for about 30 seconds each side until golden brown. Turn that off. Prepare this arugula. Sprinkle the pancetta, tomatoes, a little oil, balsamic vinegar, a little more salt. Be careful with the salt because the pancetta, after you cooked it, will be very salty. And pepper. And it's ready to serve.